So you guys want to start trading perpetuals, also known as futures. You guys want to start longing and shorting your crypto. What I recommend is using Blofin. If you guys use the link in my description, I have an offer for you guys. Use my link and deposit 100 USDT. You'll get a free 30 USDT, and that's only on Blofin. A lot of big whales and traders are starting to use Blofin. So once you sign up to Blofin, you'll be brought to this menu here. Now what you want to do is obviously go through all the account and security things, do your identification. Once you're in, you want to come over to USDT futures. This is what it'll look like when you bring up the chart. What I usually do is I right click on this little volume tool and I just remove it. I feel like you don't need that. Top left, you have your time charts, whatever hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, whichever one you would like to view. Typically I'd keep it on the 15-minute one. Now, if you want to deposit money, pretty easy. There's a buy crypto tab over here on the top left. You can quick buy with your card. Simply click on quick buy over here. Type in the amount you'd like to buy, you'll receive it in USDT, and you can just pay with your card. If you already have USDT in whatever it may be, Binance or Coinbase, you can crypto deposit. Select the crypto you'd like to deposit, whether it's USDT, whatever it is. I suggest using USDT. Select your network, make sure it's the right network. It's most likely going to be Ethereum ERC20, and this is your deposit address. So you copy this, you take it over into Binance, click withdraw crypto, put this address in, select your network, make sure it's Ethereum ERC20. You basically just send. Once you send your crypto, it'll take about a minute and you'll receive your money over here and it'll say available with your USDT. So I'm going to go ahead and deposit right now. Now don't worry if you can't see your balance here. What you need to do is you click this little icon and then you'll see it says 9 USDT available. So you go from funding to USDT-M, right? You hit all and you hit confirm. That's all you got to do, and then there's your money. So I've done a little amount just to show you guys how it works, how to buy, how to sell. Whatever you guys trade, it says USDT on the end of it. Going on Solana, it has to say sold USDT. What we want to do, let's go to the 5-minute chart. We can see Solana's at 126.89, and over here on the top right it says 3x. If we click on this, we can change our leverage. We can leverage up to 75x. For example, we're going to do a 50x leverage. We're going to hit confirm. For example, if we had to place a short order here, amount in SOL, just do max 100%. So 50 times $9 is 3.44 SOL. And if we come down here, it shows you at a 50x leverage what our liquidation price is. If I was to hit sell short, meaning if I'm betting on the price to go down, if the price hits 128, if it goes up to here on a 50x leverage, I will lose all my money. If it goes up to there, you're liquidated. Now, same thing for long. If you want to bet that the price of Solana from this point on will go up, then your liquidation price is here, 124, which is around here at a 50x leverage. Now, you guys can use ChatGPT if you don't know how to do technical analysis. You can screenshot the chart, put it on ChatGPT and ask it if it's more likely to go down or up. Remember, you got to do your own research. You got to learn how to do technical analysis. I'm going to show you guys how to long and short here. Now, I'm going to short Solana with 50x leverage. We're going to do our whole $9 and we're just going to hit short, confirm. Now this here, it gives our liquidation price. So if the price reaches this point here, we're going to lose all our money. So we've bet on the price to go down. It shows you here your P&L currently. We're minus 30 cents. If you guys use my link, you guys will get the 30 USD for free. You'll be able to earn up to 5,000 USDT. You can open a mystery box when you sign up. There's just a bunch of rewards. All the big traders are using Blofin currently. Let's go back to our chart. If you guys are scalping, right, with a high leverage, I suggest you zoom into your chart as much as you can to see what the candles are doing. We're on a 5-minute chart, right? So every candle is 5 minutes. You can see here it's gone above our buy line. Obviously, this is just an example, and it's better if you guys trade with $100 starting balance or even 1,000 if you can afford it. Don't always do the highest leverage, but higher leverage equals higher reward. But you guys have to have a lot of discipline to be doing stuff like this. A lot of discipline. I suggest a very good tactic that you should utilize is whenever you log in and you see like a big dump, for example, right? If you see a dump, right, that went from there to there, like a very large dump, it's best if you look for the dump and then you target along around this zone, because every time a chart dumps, it's bound to go back up. So if you can find a long around this range, it's very good. So a lot of people would have longed around 124, maybe even 125 on a 50x leverage and then cashed out around here. Now let's zoom back into our chart. As you can see, we're in profit now of 50 cents. Chart's clearly going down. Now, if you come down here, you see your open position, your P&L shows you everything. You can close all your positions. If you're happy with your profit, you can close it. If you hover over your P&L, it shows you stop loss, take profit. If we hold this and we drag it up, This is our stop loss line. So if I put this up 27.20, so this means if chart goes up and hits this line, I will lose $1 and it'll close my position. And I'll have $8 left, and this is take profit. So take profit means where do you want to close your position? Put it around 126. You see here, it shows you the amount as well, $2.91. Quite simple to use, really. So now you don't have to worry about it. You can close it. You can go back to trading your meme coins or whatever you do. Don't have to worry about it. You can put your stop loss, put your take profit, and you're done. Blofin also has a mobile web app. So if you guys want to be monitoring your trades, you can log into the mobile app. It's available in the App Store and on Google Store. There's a copy trading feature where you can look at the leaderboard. You can see all of these top traders here. A lot of good trades. I don't suggest copy trading unless you find the right trader. A lot of these guys are very good, but you will need a large amount to copy trade these people. Possibly $100, $200, right? So make sure you guys take advantage of the link in my description. Get access, be able to win 5,000 USDT. You never know. Anyone could be able to win. It's exclusive to Blofin. You can see here we're in profit already, 11%. So if we had done $100, for example, we would have been up $10 right now. If we had did $1,000, we'd be up $100. How easy it is. We've got our stop loss. We've got our take profit line. Now we don't have to do anything. We just wait. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll reply to everyone, or you can message my Twitter.